Hello guys, welcome to Super WP YouTube channel. On this channel, we give beginners WordPress tutorials. In today's video, we are going to learn how to build an e-commerce website with WordPress. This video is going to be 1 hour long, but please do well to watch the video from start to the end. I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide you can use to get your own e-commerce website. And the niche we are going to use in today's example is smartphones. I am currently on Amazon.com and I search for smartphone here and we are on their page. So we'll be picking some of these smartphones and pretend that we are selling them on our website for today's training. So if you're excited and ready to learn, like I said, watch the video all the way to the end. Like, comment, and share. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel. If you are getting value out of this video, why are you not subscribing? So guys, just subscribe and let's start this video. So the first thing you need for any online business is a domain name. I like to buy my domain names at Namecheap, sometimes NameSilo. So let's search for a keyword here. I'm going to search for smartphone here, and you can see it's taken. Let's also check smartphones. Smartphones is taken. I know how it feels like when you have a keyword that you want to buy the domain name and that domain name has been taken. It's really bad. You can see that the only extensions for smartphones, we have smartphones.ai. I think this is great. Somebody should just grab this. Or I think after this video, I'll buy this domain name myself and resell it. For smartphones.ai, I can resell this domain name for $69,000. Okay, so the gentle is here. You can see all the rest here, they've all been taken, and the prices are also quite expensive. So this is what I always like to do. When I find out that my domain name, the exact keyword has been taken, I try to add some words, adjectives, or something, qualifiers, so that I can get the domain name. And I use a tool called Lean Domain Search. I come over here and I enter in my keyword, as you can see, smartphones, and I search. So it's going to add some qualifiers or modifiers to my keyword. Then it will show me all the green box you see means all these domain names are available. And we have over 4,699 available domains using our target keyword smartphones. And which one should we go for? Which one? Let me sort it by it ends with the search term here. You can also do search term filter, whether it starts with your keyword or it ends with your keyword. And you can also sort by popularity, alphabet. Let's try alphabetical order. Okay, so you can go through and pick one. I have a name in mind, so I'm going to search and find that name if I can get it. Okay. INS. Where are we? Okay, Insta smartphones. So this is going to be the domain name we are going to use. But I'm not going to purchase this domain name. I'm just doing an example. I already have a domain name that I'll be using for the demo purposes. I'm just using this to show you as an example. So now that we have a domain name, just copy it, head to Namecheap here and paste that domain name, and you can see it's available and it's less than $8 a year. Just add to cart, buy this domain name and start using it. Now that you've bought your domain name, you need a hosting account. You can use Namecheap hosting here. It's also recommended. Their services are great. When we come here where we got our domain name, let me click on it again. You can see you can also register with Bluehost. Bluehost is also an amazing hosting platform, but I'm using A2 hosting. This is what I use. So whichever hosting platform you want to use, buy your hosting account and start using it. So now that you have your domain name and your hosting account, I think your host will teach you how to connect your domain with your DNS and all that. My point is add your domain to the server and all that. So let me walk you through. I'm going to log into my A2 hosting account. So this is A2 hosting. And let me show you how you can add your domain to your hosting account. cPanel, it will look similar whether you are using Bluehost, Namecheap, HostGator, InMotion. cPanel looks similar, 99% similar. So go to domains here, just click on domains. Then you create add new domain here. Add new domain here and add your domain name to add it. I've already done this, so I'm not going to go back again. So this is what we are going to do. We need to install WordPress. So inside here where I have scripts here, I have the WordPress A2 optimized. So let me click on it. Once we are inside here, click on install, and we are about to install WordPress. Let me choose my domain name. Let me show you something. So this is the selected domain name that I always use for my training. Let me refresh this page. I know you can't see my address bar, but this is the page. I just refresh, and because no WordPress installation is on, you can see that it's forbidden and all that. And once we do the WordPress installation, it will come. So I call it Insta Smartphones. All right. I'll call it Insta School. A password has been automatically generated for us. I randomly added some more words to make the password strong. Outside description, buy quality smartphone from here. Buy quality smartphones from here. Okay, nice one. What next? You do your admin email. Don't forget to also choose your language. By default is English, but we have so many languages here in the cPanel installer. So if you are French, choose French. We have Spanish, we have Portuguese, Chinese, Russian, German, and all that. Let's see the advanced options. I always like to do automatic updates. So let's do once a month for the automatic update, or you can hit none. In this video, I'm going to select don't backup. But in your case, please, if you are updating your site, your blog on a regular basis, for example, every day you are publishing 10 to 20 content, then I'll say back your site up one a day. But if you are publishing on a weekly basis, then you also got to select once a week. And if it's more of a static blog that doesn't require too much updates and publishing, then once a month is okay. In our example, I'm just going to go with don't backup, but please, in your case, always try and back up your website in case you are hacked or something. You can go back into your cPanel to recover it. So once that is done, let's click on install to find out what happens. So our installation is ongoing. Let's wait for it to finish. Now that our installation has completed, let's have a look. So like I told you, let's just refresh this page for you to see. Boom. Insta smartphones, and we have done our WordPress installation. So let's access the admin link here. Let's dismiss this. Let me walk you through the first things I always do after installing a fresh WordPress site. I like to change my permalinks, so let's go there first. And I'll change it to post names, save changes. I also like to delete the sample post. So let's trash this one out. Let's go into pages and also trash the sample page out. Whilst here, why don't we publish our privacy page? I'll take time so that we go through this, but let's first get this done and over with. And let's hit publish for it to go live. So our page has been published. Let's go back to the dashboard. Okay. I don't like using Gutenberg editor. So let's look for these two plugins and install them. And I hope you are learning something out of this video, because I'm teaching you how to install plugins. We are learning how to do other stuff. So by the end of this 1 hour video, you should have learned everything you need to learn about WordPress and how to start your own blog using WordPress. I could have sold this training for hundreds of dollars, but I'm giving it out for free. So please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so the next step is install some two plugins. I said I don't like the Gutenberg blog and editor, so we are going to install classic widgets. Then also we install classic editor. This classic editor brings back the old post editor. I've been using WordPress for long, so I'm very conversant with this one and the old widgets. The Gutenberg blocks and widgets, nah, I'm not good with that. So I prefer installing these two plugins to deactivate Gutenberg on the site. So let me activate it now. And whilst here, let's also activate this one. I'm going to deactivate these two plugins here. Let's deactivate them and hit apply. We don't want spam on our shop, so let's activate Akismet. Let me manually insert my key here. If you don't have an account, just click on set up and you are good to go. Nice one. Now we said we are going to run an e-commerce site, and we are going to also sell what's the name, smartphones. So the next thing we need to do after disabling Gutenberg is to have our theme installed. For now, we are not going to buy any theme, but if you want to buy some themes, let me show you some quality themes that you can use. Let's go to WordPress here, and let's go to e-commerce right here. I like Matt Fury. Let's look for the bestsellers. WooCommerce here. Bestsellers, yeah. Platform is a bestseller, but I don't personally use it. Porto is great, so you can have a look. You want to X-Store, it's also great, so you can also have a look. What else? Electro. Since we are dealing with smartphones, Electro will really go with our niche, so you can also have a look. But my favorite is Matt Fury because of its mobile optimized theme or template or the layout. I really like using Matt Fury. There's another one, BESA. It also has a very good responsive mobile layout. You can take your time, head over to Team Forest, come here and go through the various e-commerce themes, but we are not going to do that. So let's check the demos of Porto. We also check the demos of Store. Then we also check the demo of Electro. Let's check Matt Fury. Okay, so let's see some of the pre-built demos of Porto. Let's see 134 pre-built websites. Okay, we have nice one. Can we see one that is for smartphones? Let's see if we can find one that is for smartphones, so that we just recommend that you go for that theme and just import the smartphone into it and you are good to go. So let's see if Porto has a demo for smartphones. That would be great. We have some for electronics, but our niche is purely smartphones. Let's go through. They have over 134 demos, so definitely we should find something. If not, we check the other three out. Okay. I don't think we can get smartphones from Porto. So let's just close it, head over to the Store demos. This one is also giving us over 120 demos. Let's see if we can find one that has to do with smartphones. We are living in an age of smartphones, so why are we not getting a pre-built smartphone e-commerce shop? Let's see, let's see, let's see. This is for a mobile app. We want one to sell smartphones, gadgets. I wouldn't be surprised if Electro has one purely for smartphone, but these guys, they've disappointed us. So let's close this. Okay, so we are at Electro. Let's see what Electro has for us. Home 1, Home 2, it's like almost every gadget, but we have so many smartphones within Home 7, Home 9, Home 8. Let's see. This one looks nice. The Home 13 looks like it's majority smartphones. Let's take a look. Just have a look. So yeah, this is the demo for Electro smartphones and tablets. Yeah, it's almost like what we are looking for. Not bad. Let's see what Matt Fury has for us. This page is loading quite slow. I think it's from my internet and not from the website. Okay, nice. Okay, let's check Matt Fury. I would say my favorite e-commerce WordPress theme, because it has a very cool looking mobile layout. But I think this technology comes close. So with Matt Fury, when you buy Matt Fury, you can import the technology settings into your e-commerce sites, and instead of publishing every other kind of gadgets, you only publish smartphones. You can see the layout and everything. Let's take a look at the Samsung Galaxy A8. Okay, so we have this, and this how it looks like. Very clean, very simple, and very nice. Okay, nice one. Okay, so what next? What next are we going to do? Okay, I was going to show you something here. On Team Forest, you have search within these results. Let's search for smartphones. Okay, so I just searched for smartphones, and let's see if there's a theme that was purposely built just for smartphones. There's a spy here. It's multi-purpose. Okay. Okay. This is also a multi-purpose one. So I think you can go for Electro, you can go for a spy, or you can also go for Matt Fury. So these are my 3 premium WordPress templates that you can go for to start your e-commerce site. And we want to be selling smartphones. So you can go with any of these 3 themes. If you want me to create a detailed tutorials on any of these themes, just leave them in the comment box below and I'll do well to answer them for you. Or I'll do a complete tutorial. I'll pick Aspire and go through all the step-by-step guide with you. I'll also pick Electro and do the same. And also for Matt Fury, I also do the same. But comment below which of the themes you want me to do a complete tutorial on for you. Now let's go back to our website. Let's add a theme. So our theme should be an e-commerce theme, right? Let's use this feature filter. It has to be e-commerce. Yeah. And it has to have some, even though it's free, we need to get some kind of theme options. So I think this is okay. We want a theme with a, should we go with right or left sidebar? Okay, let's apply these two filters and pick one. But our e-commerce site, let's see something that resonates with the three themes. With this one is saying mobile repair shop. We are not running a repair shop. Okay, multi-vendor marketplace. Can I search for electronics, fashion storefront? Can we get something related to electronic or phones? Let's see. Guys, hold on. We are just trying to look for the right theme for our e-commerce site. And I guess it's also helping you to see that there are so many WordPress templates available. Let's bring back the feature request here and let's see the other options we can tick. I think they are okay. Let's just search for electronics. Okay, so after searching for I think this is good. Electronics gadgets. Now we are getting close to what we want. Okay, I'm going to install and activate this one. And let's activate it. So installation is complete. Let's activate it. Okay, let's begin installing this. But it will also tell us to install WooCommerce. So before we do that, let's refresh our page and see how it looks like. Okay, so our Insta smartphones is taking shape. Gradually, we will have a very complete e-commerce site to sell our smartphones. So this is what we have here for now. Let's go through the process. Um, let's install the required plugins. But before we do that, can we look at our logo? It's not nice. An e-commerce site, we need to have a very nice logo. So this is what we are going to do. We can use Canva to create our logos. So go to create a design here and just search for logo. Let's click on it. And use the various free templates and everything, as you can see from here. Yes, templates we have. Let's search for gadgets and see if we can find anything. Yes. Okay, so we can go with this. Okay, I hope you're enjoying. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave your comment, and also like this video. So the name of our store is Insta Smartphones. Smartphones. Okay. Next is new. Oh, it's okay. Let's go with this tagline because I don't have any tagline in mind. Okay. But there are others here. This is for home devices. No. This let's see this. Okay. Gadgets and electronic shop. This is what we selected earlier. You can take your time, go through the various templates that you have, and choose what you want. And you can also edit the colors. For example, blue and yellow. Let's change this color. Let's get yellow here. So depending on your brand colors, with Canva, you can do anything you want. Now let me show you another tool I use to create my logos. I use Design Evo to also create my logos, and it's also for free. So let's click on make a logo right here. And under template, let's search for gadgets, or let's first search for smartphones. Let's see something. Nothing found. Let's do smartphone. Okay. So they have all these templates that we can use for our logo when it comes to the smartphones we want to also create. So I've shown you two ways you can also get your own smartphone. A rocket is very fast, so I think I like this. So just click on customize to go through the customization process of your logo. So here you can write your company name, which is Insta Smartphones. We deliver smartphones quickly to you. Our slogan or our tagline is Next is new. Next is new. Okay. So once you are done, you can just click on this download button here. And we want to go with a free version. So you can go with this one. Just save the images and save it. And you are good to go. So this is how you also create logos for your e-commerce site. So you either use Canva or you use Design Evo to do your logos. So let's continue. So since we are going to build an e-commerce site, we need to install this plugin. So use this step-by-step guide to also learn how to install plugins onto WordPress. Go to the left-hand side of the admin menu where you can see plugins here. Click on add new, and we are going to install WooCommerce. The M is supposed to be double. Yeah. So let's install this one. You can see we also have different payment gateways. Do you want me to do a detailed video on the various payment gateways? Comment below the payment gateway in your country. Then I will do a tutorials on it for you. But let me just activate WooCommerce first. Choose your country. United States. Go with California. Address. You shouldn't worry. Let's go to continue here. No thanks. So here we are inside our WooCommerce, the setup wizard. What is it going to be about? Tech electronics. Hit continue here. Yeah, specific products. How many products? Oh, we want to sell as many as we can. Yeah. Let's hit continue. I don't think we need all these. Let's go to continue. We are not going to use any paid themes. There are also some free themes here. There are storefronts. One of the most popular, but we are already using this. So continue with my active theme. Okay. Let's go to the settings. For now, we are going to do cash on delivery. So let's go to the payments and turn on cash on delivery. Enable. Let's save changes. Let's go back. Okay. If you want to also receive direct bank or check payments, you can also check this to enable them. And you can also go with WooCommerce payment. This is like a partnership between Stripe and WordPress to bring you WooCommerce payments. So you need like a Stripe account to use this and turn it on. But for example, we'll just be doing cash and delivery. Now let's install the recommended plugins also. I'm going to let's select all, click on install and apply. Let's go back to required plugins installer and let's activate them. Activate. Yeah, they've been activated. So let's go to the product categories. We'll do we'll do Samsung here. We'll do iPhones, or is it Apple? Let's do it Apple. Okay, what else are we looking at? Let's do Infinix. And we also do ITEL. Let's do Huawei. Like Nokia. Let's add Nokia. We'll also add Motorola. Let's do Motorola. We've done Nokia. We've done Motorola. Samsung. Okay. So these should be. I'll just do uncategorize their smartphones. Any other smartphone can also come here. So once we've done this, I think we should add our first product. Okay, so Amazon here. Okay, Google Pixel. Okay, so for the categories, let's add Google also to it. Let's add a new product. Which think we'll do with this. We have Moto, Samsung also here. Which other? Nokia is also here. Xiaomi. Okay, we'll add Xiaomi also to it. TCL. Let's also add OnePlus. Let's see if these are okay for what we want to do. So now let's start. I'm going to copy this as a title. We want product image plus. So let's add a new category plus. Product name is also going to. Let's get some images. Can we save the images straight from here? If not, let's just Google it and save these images and use them. Okay, so I'm going to save this. Let's save this one also. Okay, let's save this. And let's save this one also. Time to do this. See, let's save this. Let's work with the 4 we have. Let's also save this. So product image. Yes. Okay, so let's choose this for the main product image. And now for the gallery images, then we choose the remaining ones. Just hit Control to multi-select. We've already added this, so let's choose this one. Add them to the gallery. Okay, nice. We are getting somewhere. let's add a short description. I'm going to copy all of this as my short description. So what's the price? 279, let's say 280. So the price is 280. Our sales price is 280, and regular is 350. So like we are giving a discount, right? Yeah. It's not virtual, it's not downloadable, it's a simple product. We just ship it and all that. So this is okay. Long description. Let's see if we can find something on Amazon. Okay. So we have the about the product, which can go into the long description. But guys, if you are running a real e-commerce site, make sure that you don't copy and paste exactly from Amazon like I'm doing. Just rewrite in your own words, but we are just doing this to make it quick for us. So we've added our first product. Let's publish and have a look at our website. Once we are done, we will publish the remainder. Let's get at least some 5 products on our shop. Then we know we are good to go. Then we've been able to successfully build an e-commerce site using WordPress. So this is how it looks like. This nice. It's on sale. The price used to be 350. We've cancelled it. We are selling at 280. A person can add to cart here. Let's test it here. And we can go to view cart. And our checkout is pay on delivery. So you just need to enter your shipping address and it will be delivered. Okay. So let's go to the home page. Have a look. So let's go to visit store. So this is our store. Let me do this settings here. One real quick. We want our shop page to be the home page. So let me show you how. At the reading settings, go to your home page display and choose a static page. Home page, just choose shop here and hit save changes. And now the shop is our home page. So anytime we go home, it's our shop. Nice one. So now let's try and add 4 or 5 more of the products we chose to have a complete e-commerce site built. Okay, let's go back to add a new product here. We are done with this. So let me close this one. What product? We have the Xiaomi Redmi 9A. So let's do with this one. Yeah. Let's go with this. Okay. Nice. Nice. And for this one too, I think we are going to also copy all this stuff here. Let me test something real quick. Let's copy and paste. And I'll come back here and let me see the tables. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back. And we have the about product here. Okay. So I'm going to copy. This is the name, the title, choose Redmi 9A. So product name, Let's edit our permalink here. Let's search some images of this phone and use it for our product gallery. Okay, we have this. Let's save it. Let's get some 5 images. Let's get this one also. Okay, let's add this image. I might even use it for the main featured product image because of the 9A rating on it. This also has a 9A on it. So let's save this. Wow. Okay. Our smartphone shop is really picking up. Yes. Okay. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 downloads. So we can go back and add them. Product image. Let's install these guys. And we choose the one with the 9A on the image. Okay, so which one should I go for? This or that? Okay, let's go for this. And let's do our product galleries. We've already chosen this, right? So let's go with these ones. Yes, we've done it. Zai is not here, so let me just add a new. Let me see if I don't think the name is correct. IAO. Yeah. So let's add it here. Short description. Okay. So I'm going to copy all this and use it as a short description. What's the price? Really? Less than $90. Okay. So the regular price is $150 and we are selling it for $90. Okay. Let's do the long description. So we've already done this one. So let's do the about item here. And let's copy and paste this one also here so that it's looking nice. I think we are done with our second product. So let's publish it. We are 52 minutes into this video, guys. Keep watching. Don't log off. Keep watching. I hope you are getting value. Just subscribe, like, and share this video. Leave all your comments below. Like I said, we are building an e-commerce website using WordPress, and the niche we are using is smartphones. So let's continue watching this video. I already told you in the beginning that it's going to be an hour long, and we are 53 minutes in it. We are left with less than 7 minutes. So guys, don't worry, keep watching and let's publish all our products. Then we can preview our shop page and make sure that everything looks nice. And I might give you some tips on how to do your SEO and get your traffic and start generating some sales. So keep watching, don't go out. Okay, so now that we published this one, let's go to the view product to see our product. You can see that our shop is really taking up and it's looking nice and nice. Yes, we can add, like, let's see if somebody decides to buy 3, we can add it to the cart. Yes, because our quantity is unlimited, so we have more stock in place. The next product, I will show you stock management so that if you have 10 of them, somebody cannot come and order 20 because you can't be able to deliver. Okay, so we've done this. Let me close this page real quick. Add a new product. And what do we have next on our list? We've done this. So let's close it. We have the Nokia C01 Plus, the Go edition. Okay. So this is the next one. I'll copy the name up to this point. Then we'll use it as our product name. Let's search for the product images that we are going to use. As always, let's look for like 5 images. Let's choose this. Let's save the image. Okay, now which other one can we use? Guys, I like this. I'm going to add it to our gallery. I don't like the WebP files. I don't like them. Let's see if we can get a JPEG. Yes. They are different, right? Just that the names are the same. No worries. Let's look for something new about our product. Let's go with this image and see if we can also save this one. Yeah, okay. Let's try this. Yeah. Finally, the 5th one. Let's see. Let's see if we can get something different. Yeah. Let's save this image. Looks nice. Okay, nice. One next product image. Let's upload our 5 images. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to choose this as the product image. Or what do you guys think? Is it a wrong image? Comment it below and let me see. I like it because it has a name here, but then if we also go something vertical like this, like that, let's stick to this. Set it as the product image and let's add our gallery. Since we've already chosen this one, I'm going to choose these ones because we've already selected this one. No, let's add this one to it. Yeah. Deloy. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's okay. It's okay. Let's go with Nokia. The tag, we are going to choose the product name. Okay, let's check the price. I told you we are going to do stock management. So here we want to manage the stock. So for this phone, we have like 20 in stock. So this is how you do stock management on an e-commerce site. Okay, so let's go back to the general. Let's check the price. This also less than 85. So let's say the regular is 120 and the price is $85. And let's do the we've not done the short description, so let me copy this and paste in our short description. And for the long description, copy this, then we paste it here. Let's get some of the specs. Let's copy this and also paste it here like so. So we are also done with the Nokia C01 Plus. Okay, so this is how it's looking like on our site. It's looking nice and great, and people can just buy and check out. So let's see an example. Let me try ordering 21 and click on add to cart. Like you can see, our stock is working perfectly. We can order more than 21 items of a product that we have only 20 in stock. Guys, I'm giving you good value. Subscribe to the channel, please. Become my subscribers. Whoever is watching this video, subscribe. Yeah, so let's quickly wrap up with the remaining products. Then we'll be out of this place real quick. I know we've hit the 1 hour mark, but we are left with some 3 or 4 products. Let's finish with them and we will get out of here. Let me close this because we are done with this product. Let me see. Okay, so we are only left with 3 products, guys. Stick in there, hang in there, keep watching, and let's finish real hard. So the next product is the Samsung Galaxy A12. I'm going to copy up to this point and we'll use it as a product name. Then we'll also search on Google for product images that we can use for our product gallery. So I'll pick this one first. Yes, and we'll also pick this one. So we have 2 saved now. Let's add this one also to it. If there's any part that is confusing you, leave them in the comment box and I'll do well to respond. But I'll only respond to you if you subscribe to my channel. So please subscribe. Don't just be a viewer. Subscribe. Subscribe because I'll be doing more and more tutorials for you. At the end of this video, we will look at the best plugins you need to install for your WooCommerce site. It's going to be 15 to 20 minutes long and it's going to be packed with more value. More value. This one was able to pass through, so we need to download another image. Like I'm saying, we are going to look at the top or the best plugins that you should be using on your WooCommerce site. So watch that video also on this channel. And once I've also shown you the best plugins to use, in the next video or the third video, we are going to learn how to install and set up these plugins on your site. I'm always coming your way with amazing quality videos. So please subscribe to the channel. I need the subscribers, just keep subscribing. So let's go back to adding our Samsung Galaxy A12. We've done the name. Let me copy the name from here because I'll use it as a tag. Then we set the product image. First of all, let's upload the images. First, we are left with 1, but these 4 should be okay. Let's stick to these 4. So let's use this because it has a name and our category is Samsung tags. Okay, let's look for the short description. So copy everything here, paste. Let's check the price. 174. So regular we are selling it at 200 and on our shop we are selling it 175. Let's do the long description here. Let's copy everything, then I'll paste it here. What next? About this item, we copy everything, then we paste it like so. Okay, so we are done with our Samsung Galaxy A12. Let's publish it and let's move on to the next one real quick. So we have the Moto G Power. So there's a short name. So copy it. Let's also search. Let's bring this one here. Click on add new. Okay. Very soon our shop will be taken up. What next? Okay, I like this image. So let's save it. Save image. We want 5 of them. So this is the first one. We have the second. This is too small. Why are we getting small? Okay, we have the second one here. What next? Okay, let's finish real quick, guys. We'll be out of here in a jiffy. I'm happy you've stayed with me all the way to this point. We've done over 65 minutes and you are still here with me and you are watching. It means you like what you are seeing, you like what you are watching. And I'm very grateful. But then the best is please subscribe to the channel. Just subscribe. So I'll paste the name here, product image. I'll drop these guys here also. Okay, so how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll choose this as the product image. Motorola, yeah. The tag is the product name. Let's get a short description. And this is a short, the short description. Let's see the price. 129. Let's say it's 130. So this one too, we are selling it at $200 or $180, and we are selling it at 130. Right? Okay. Now let's look for the long description. So I'm going to copy this one, and let's paste it here like so. And about this item, we also paste it here. I hope you're enjoying. Yeah. Let's publish our products. Then we are left with the last one. Last one, which is the Google Pixel 6a. Let me search and also copy the product name like this. So here we click on add new product. The name is this. Okay. And let's search for the images. Let's start with this one. So we save our first image. Then we save the second one. It's too small. We don't like it. Okay, so we'll save this one. Let's save this one. Also, this one is quite big, so it's cool. I've seen one with a product name, so I'm going to go for it. Let me go for this one. Let's save this one also. Yeah. Okay, last one. We need the last image for the Google Pixel. It should be nice, you know, guys. Let's look for a very nice image. Let's try with this guy here. Let's save him. Yes, so we have all the 5 here. So let's come to the product image. Let's drag and drop our 5 images here, like so. Let us finish. It's not rectangular, so let's go with this one. Set as product image. Okay, let's choose our product gallery. I'm going to go with this, that, and this one also, and add. Let's choose our Google Pixel. Next time we'll look at Huawei, the Infinix, and the itel. I'm taking too much of your time, you know, so let's just end it with the Google Pixel. Let's do the short description. So here, like so, I'll copy it and I'll paste it inside. What's the price? 348. So the regular is $400 and we are selling it at 348. No, we'll make it 350. Okay, nice one. Let's do the long description. So let's copy this. Do you want to know the difference between drop shipping and e-commerce? If so, comment it below and I'll show you. Because what we are doing is not drop shipping. We are doing pure e-commerce. We are not drop shipping anything here, guys. We are doing pure selling e-commerce on our site. So we are done with the last product on our shop. Let me hit publish, and now we can view our shop. We've already seen a single product page, so let's visit the shop once again and see how it looks like. So these are the how many did we do? We did 6. Oh, that's nice. So we did 6 products: the Google Pixel, the Moto G Power, Nokia C01. We did OnePlus Node, Samsung Galaxy A12, the Xiaomi Redmi 9A. And so, like, this is a pure e-commerce site, right? And we are even using a free theme. So based on your country, you can decide to go into the dashboard and choose the right payment gateway. There's PayPal, there's Stripe, there's to checkout, there's Flutterwave, there's Paystack. There are so many of them. In India, there are so many payment gateways. If you go to plugin sections, come to add new here. And let me just quickly show you this. Just search for WooCommerce payment gateway. Let's search for payment gateway, and you are going to get so many payment gateways that you can use depending on your country where you are located and what maybe you have the API keys that you need to insert. Don't forget, you can even add cryptocurrency as your payment gateway. If you use, like, for example, Coinbase, you can receive payments such as Bitcoins, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. There are so many payments, so many of them, thousands of them. So just choose your own payment gateway, the one that works best for you based on your location and maybe their pricing. Go through the full setup. So like I said, if you want me to do a tutorial on your payment gateway, comment it below that. Superweb, we are using Paystack. Do a tutorial on Paystack on how we can integrate it in our WooCommerce site, and I'll gladly do this video for you. Guys, I am happy you stayed with me all this long. It's over 70 minutes you've been here. I'm grateful. But if you've been here so far, then please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And like I said, the second video is going to be about the top plugins you need to install for your WooCommerce site. And the third video too is going to be about how to set up and install these plugins in your WordPress or your WooCommerce site. So I'm hoping to see you in my next video, and bye-bye.